Distilled water, savior of engines and men, just like me. If you have a CPAP machine, you understand that joke. If you don't have a CPAP machine and you don't understand that joke, ask your dad. This is concentrated coolant, all right? Whenever you buy coolant concentrated, you're probably doing it because it's cheaper than 50/50. But here's where you're making a very expensive mistake. When you put concentrated coolant in and then you put tap water in, you have just introduced all sorts of chemicals into your very delicate engine, and it will cause rust, corrosion, and all sorts of nasty things. So when you're using concentrated coolant, you must use distilled water. If you see your mechanic putting tap water into your engine, stop them immediately and tell them that you would prefer beautiful CPAP water or beautiful distilled water, because you have chlorine and all sorts of other chemicals that are supposed to sterilize your water to make it safe for you to drink and consume. But that's not actually what happens with your engine. It causes rust and corrosion because your block was not designed to have chemicals in it to keep water shelf stable. So make sure that you have distilled water. The other thing you can do is if you're pouring your coolant in and you don't have a funnel, don't go like this. It's going to create a mess. What you want to do is come over as close as you can to the side and fill it just like this. You see how low I can get and I can pour it in before it starts to come out? Super, super easy to do. So if you're picking up coolant from the shop, just remember, if you don't have distilled water, you can't use concentrate. If you have distilled water, you certainly can. And if you need to steal some from your dad, be sure to ask him for some of that good old CPAP water so you can go ahead and make sure your engine has no issues in the future with any of your cooling system. I'm Blair with Revit Auto. I hope this video made you laugh. If you have any issues with your fleet or you want to send us a message, be sure to do so. We're happy to help you.